Give it gas. Let's see. That's sound decibels. That's a sound decibel meter. Again. Rev it higher. Let's see if it gets higher. Because I want to see what I have to do. Rev it up to like 45. Okay. Anytime it's over 100, 95, 100, it drones inside.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was like 105. All right, so we showed you how they sound. This is what it looks like. It's a BASSANI complete. It's got long tube headers there and there. Got high flow cats there and there. Then it has the BASSANI system. BASSANI, whatever. So it's a dual, complete true dual system. There it is right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. Then it's got 2 mufflers there and there. BASSANI again. And some 4-inch tips. Or actually 3.5-inch probably. 3 to 4. Around there. There and there. So we're gonna put some LCGPs on it. 2 of them just to tame it. 2.5. There's the part number on them right there. Be a link in the description for them. And we'll see what kind of sound decibels we get out of it then. There they are right here. And see how they look on the inside. That when the sound travels, it hits those holes and dissipates. Muffles it a little bit more. Takes the raspiness away. And you always want to get it as close to the middle as you can for the sound difference. To tame it. Anytime you want to tame them, you want to put stuff like this on. They're only 12 inches long. They're not that long. Okay. Alright guys, so we showed you guys before what it looked like with the BASSANIs. So what we added, there's still the long tube headers there and there. High flow cats there and there. Then the BASSANI middle muffler right there, dual in, dual out. And we added the 2 LCGPs right there and right there. I showed you guys the part numbers. They're basically vibrants. It's just they're hard to get the vibrance. So there's the part number. LCGPs, 2.5s. They're cute, nice and shiny. There's the rear resonators on the BASSANIs, there and there, and the same tips. So if you like our work and you like it to make it quieter, make sure you subscribe. If you don't, subscribe. If you do, subscribe, all that good stuff. So let's see how much it brought down on the sound decibels. Go ahead. Hear a difference?
It's all good. Yeah.
Doesn't take too much away from it.
No.
But you see how much quieter it is?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But it's still got that oomph.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Again? Yeah, it's not even going over 100. Yeah. 101. It's perfect. Yeah, 101. It won't even peak. It was going up, I think, what, 106?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. All right, cool. 33,000 miles, guys. Tell me where you can find a GTO with 33,000 miles, other than this one. Look how clean it is. That's amazing. It's a beautiful car. There she is. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. That beautiful motor, LS2 6.0 GTO. Long tube headers, really cleanly done, really nice. There she is, 32,000 miles. Got a Valiant air filtration system, all there. Ceramic coated headers. Leandro, oh my God. All right, mini beast mode, but it worked. Oh, that sounds perfect. He wanted it quieter.